Hey everyone, recently we have released a new functionality in our team permission. So we have added one more column of team permission for your convenience. So what exactly is this particular feature? Let me show you and just brief you how you can use the same. So first of all, let us go to our settings module. Now once we will come in our settings module, we need to go to teams. Now after going to the team, please click on permission. So please check, earlier there was basic, moderate and full. Now we have provided critical as well. Now what critical stands for? So earlier our creation of document and cancellation of document was in a single permission which was full. Now we have changed that. So suppose if any person is creating a document and saving and sending, like let's take an example, he created a PO and then after he simply, after creating the PO, he just saved and sent that PO. Now if I will give this particular permission, so it will allow him to save and send. But after save and send, if he want to cancel that PO or amend that PO, that functionality cannot be done. So how you can give the functionality of cancellation? So please check. Here is the critical. So if I select the critical and provide him the cancellation option, after that, all the purchase document which he will be creating or the team member will be creating can cancel that as well. This will not apply on the drafted document. So suppose if I drafted a document and I don't have a cancel option, still I will be able to cancel the draft document because it is not finalized yet. Once I will finalize, I may not be able to make the changes. So this is a tutorial and just a briefing video so that you can go ahead and check your existing team permission and then after you can distribute it accordingly. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you in order to arrange and provide the team permission. Have a good day ahead.